Struggling with a black screen in OBS? Whether it's game capture or display capture, this quick guide will show you how to fix the issue on Windows 11. Search for Graphics Settings in the Windows search bar and open it. Click Browse under Custom Options for Apps. Navigate to the OBS installation folder, usually in C Program Files OBS Studio. Open the binned or 64-bit folder and select OBS 64.exe. After adding OBS, click Options and select Power Saving to use the integrated graphics, for example, Intel. Save changes and close graphics settings. Open OBS Studio and delete any existing display capture sources. Click the plus icon under Sources, select Display Capture, and click OK. Use the default capture method, automatic, or try alternatives like Windows 11, 19, 03 and up. Choose the correct display if multiple monitors are connected. Click OK to apply changes and test the capture. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.